Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all are having an amazing day and an exquisite week. Today's video is going to be another woods video. My last one went better than I thought it would be, and I had a lot of fun making that video. So I found a woods that's close-ish to my house that I haven't really explored yet. I didn't even know it existed. So yeah, we're gonna go over to that woods and check it out. And just a note, my video quality today will probably be a little lower. It's cold outside and the cold tends to kind of lower battery a little bit, so I'm gonna lower the quality so I can get a little bit of extra battery life. But let's go. Okay, so I'm supposed to wear this so I don't get hit by a car, but I looked and the woods is about 30-ish minutes away by bike, or walking, I'm not sure, I was confused, but anyway, I can ride by bike faster than that, but I want to do a time lapse, that's why I'm on my phone camera right now. Okay, so I'm back at home, I forgot my gloves and water, but we're back to going now. Okay, so we finally made it to the woods. It's a lot bigger than it looks. Just don't even, please. I'm gonna stash my bike over here. We're gonna use those mailboxes as a reference. So I'm gonna try to cover them up as much as I can, get rid of this vest so nobody spots me, but yeah. All right, we're back to GoPro cam now. I just didn't want to waste any battery, so I did a terrible job of covering that up, but I don't really want to waste any time doing it. I'm sure nobody's gonna find it, but it's not a big deal, so we're gonna head in. I'm gonna switch to head cam. Let's go. Ow. Oh, ow, ow. Okay, so we reached our first little valley here. Ow. I might actually drop off some of my stuff so I can get around easier. Oh my gosh, I almost just fell. Might just kind of stash my stuff. Yeah, I think we'll just kind of sit over here. Should be good. Got over there. Got that. Let me take the lanyard off. And I got my stick on. Put that, and there's some leaves over here. Not gonna find that. Ow! Oh, something just landed on my finger. Okay, well I did a better job than I did with my stupid thing, my bike. I'm gonna drop off my water too. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna set up my water right here as a marker, so I don't forget. Where is it? Okay, I didn't knock it in my water. Shoot. Okay, we've reached our first creek. Ow. Slash valley thing. Ow. Oh shoot, I got my woods shoes on. They're very slippery. Oh. Okay. Ooh, real quick, I'm gonna climb this first. Shoot, oh shoot, oh good. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna kinda go across here. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's not do that again. I don't want to draw too much attention. Or, actually, no, I don't want to draw any attention. Oh. Oh. Okay. We're over at the creek. Okay, so we're over at the creek. Ow. Oh. 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 Okay. You know, we're just gonna cross over on that. Ow. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh. Ooh, ah. That's not stable. Oh. 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 Okay. It's all good. I'm not gonna fall in like last time. Nope. Hard sucks to suck. Okay. Alright. Made it over to the second log. This one's a little more slippery. Okay. Alright. Oh shoot. Okay. Come on, get out of my way. Ow. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I like found a random bridge over here. So that's weird. But why am I gonna use a bridge when I could use this thing right here? Oh! Okay. Oh, ow! Ow! That just went into my hand. Okay. This is easy. Oh, shoot. It's easier if you're wearing shoes that literally have any tread whatsoever. These don't. I could skate on cement with these. Oh, pistons. Oh! I'm gonna have to bleep out what I just said. Okay. That was a close call. There's literally other people in here, so I'm gonna have to run this way. Oh. Okay, so they definitely know that I'm in here now, so I gotta run. I wanna climb that. This is really stupid. Is that dog crap? Okay. Up here, there's literally nothing to catch my boat. I mean, there's just branches right there. But my shoes are so freaking slippery. It's not even funny. If I fall, I could actually hurt myself really bad. Oh! I'm heading southeast-ish. Sounds like they're heading like west. So I should be all right for now. Oh, we got some over here? What we got? Aw, what? What the trash? Do we not have anything over here, bro? Oh, shoot, I just twisted my ankle. Oh, that's boring. Trail? Frick that, man. Gonna off-road it. Ow. I think this might be a dried up creek. Parkour. Ow. Which way are we going? See, if this woods isn't big enough, I have another woods that we can go back to. That one that I literally have no idea what's in it. Like, I've never been to it. Oh, nope. That's like quicksand mud. Or clay or, ow, shoot my leg. I think we're getting to the end, guys. This woods isn't as interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Boom. I mean, we could find a tree to climb. One of these trees have any effing or freaking branches though. Like what? Like bro, how am I supposed to climb any trees? I mean, oh.
Oh, my penis! Oh, that was not. What's over here? Let's check it out. Ow, oh, shoot. Oh, let's go. Let's go. The freaking creep, brother. Oh, we got people. Ow, ooh. Jeez. Oh, it's gross. Did I just untie my, I did just untie my shoe. Okay, so yeah, I want to go over to the, oh, that's not attached. Oh, so that's not attached either. Oh, oak. Shoot, oh my gosh, dang. Girl, oh, okay. We're gonna freaking eat it. Eat. Okay, that's cringe, but I made it across. Okay. Oh, son of. Okay, we're gonna have to bleep that out too. Oh, okay, we're not there yet. Gosh dang. Oh. Okay, we are. Oh, okay. Oh, ow! I think this woods is coming to an end, guys. Oh, I want to hop this. Can I? Shoot, I need a running start. I don't really have much. I want to get out of the ground, tree. Ow, shoot. Oh, shoot me. Come on. Oh! It's out. That's what she said. Okay. Whoa. Oh. I didn't know there was something there. Okay. I don't think I am able to see because there was a tree there. Ow. Oh my. I'm gonna lay here for a sec, bro. That hurt, low key. Pretty bad. Oh, it's my freaking, this side of my knee thing. I hit it on the, frick, this tree isn't that good. That was a freaking tiny tree to be in the ground that much. Get that dirt off my GoPro. No! I don't know if that's the microphone or the speakers, but it's something, bro. Okay. We're back off the ground. Ow. I think I'm just gonna walk until I hit the road, and then I'm gonna go until I get to the mailbox. Until I get to the mailboxes. And then I'm gonna get my stuff from there. And I'm gonna stop this because I keep tripping over frick. Shoot. Oh! Ow! We're not gonna have a repeat of last time. Ow, okay. Let's go, baby. Ow! Ooh, there's something on my shoe. Ow, no. Don't help me. Oh. Okay. Ow. Oh. Ow. Ooh. I got my finger stuck. I just had to pull that out of my finger. I watched that emerge from the surface of my skin. Okay, finally found my crap. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here. I kind of just want to go home. There's a car behind me, isn't there? I just want to go home. And actually I'm supposed to be home right now, but yeah. But so I think I might just save the woods for another video if you like this. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button if you like the video. If you don't want to, cool. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, but it's really appreciated. Yeah, so we got some new videos coming up. Still not sure when we're gonna do those. Still waiting for Jordan to help me with those, but my dude is pretty busy. So we're gonna do Drama Inquire with Jordan. So we're gonna figure out when we're gonna do that. Christmas Stereotypes is not till Christmas time, and it's November like 9th, I think. So yeah, so we're gonna do those, but I gotta get out of the way. There's like 2 cars coming. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.